Difficult question. Would you like to explain to us the global warming phenomenon? Mira? Very simple na lang. Do you have a cell phone? Meron. Thank you very much. Yes, kaya natin nakalimutan number one. Yun na. Sige na inaasal. Okay. Now, candidate number 2. Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good evening po.
So, what is your most favorite subject?
Science.
Oh, science. Oh, what is your favorite planet?
Well, since the beginning of time, my favorite planet is the planet Mercury.
Why?
Dahil sa Mercury, nakakasigurado tayong gamot ay ating
Okay, candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, how are you?
I'm hungry.
Okay, here is your question. What is the most important part of your body and why?
Well, I guess the most important part of my body is that my neck.
Why your neck?
Well, I choose my neck because my neck is connected to my head and my head is connected to my face. For I believe that my beautiful face will wear the crown for tonight's competition.
Do you still have another important part in your body?
Well, I believe it would be my arm.
Your arm?
Yes.
Why is your arm?
Well, definitely I choose my arm because my arm is connected to my hands, which I eventually use to wave on my moment of victory.
Would you like to raise your hand?
Yes.
Higher.
Well, sorry to disappoint you, I cannot make it. Why? Because my armpit is badly devastated by the global warming.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Now, candidate number 4. Go natin. Would you like an easy or a difficult question?
Easy.
Easy. What is your name?
I'm Casey.
Thank you. Ano ba yun? Bakit yun naman? Ay, eto mo kamatalino. Wow, kamatalino to. Okay, candidate number 5. Other than your face, what is your problem? Your lips. Why your lips?
Mabigat. Mabigat.
Mabigat?
Mayang kasi.
Do you have talent?
Yes.
What's your talent?
Singing dance.
Singing and dance. Dancing. Yan, dalawa ang talent mo, singing and dancing. What are you going to sing for us, candidate number 5?
Hindi mo kakanta ka sa crow.
So, dance na lang. Anong tugtog?
Ballet dance. Sing.
Ballet dancing?
Ballet dancing.
Kita ka naghaha. Palapaan niyo naman si candidate number 5. Showcasing her talent. O, go. Ano yun?
Siya ang kakanta ko ang sas.
Ay, ikaw palang singit. Ano kakantahin mo? Ano kakantahin mo? Ha? Mamaya
Super
na
bass.
ito.
Super bass.
Hello? Ang walain?
Super bass.
Ano pangalan mo?
Casey.
Casey. Tapos ikaw si
Virgin.
ano? Virgin. Virgin. Anong kakantahin mo, Casey?
Super bass.
Kasi sasayaw ko, oh.
Jai, Jai.
Oh. Ano?
Super bass.
Ano? Ano kahit ano? Magsala ka ng black tape. Hindi ko ibigay ano para pangalan mo sa Casey. Ano? Bigyan na natin ang mic ko. Ano gusto mo kantahin? Ha? Anong love song? Anong love song? Stand Up for Love. Naku, mataas na kanta yan, ha? Alam mo, yung huling bading na kumanta niyan dito, pumutok ang itlog. Tumansik sa sisig. Gusto ko na magbila mo. Bakit daw kulay duha? Pagkakaroon natin, okay? Sila tsaka Merjay. Tama ba? O, go. Stand up for love, kuya. Nagawin dito. O, palakpakan! Ganyan mo, ha? May boyfriend ka na? Ano?
Long boy.
You deserve it. Ikaw, syempre, meron. I'm sure. O, tamo, meron. Bakit? Ay ba? O, dali na! Go! Play! Uy, pero pa kami naman.